Mag-horseback riding kami. Grabe ang lalaki ng horse. So we are ready to ride the horse. Yes, his name is Jacob. Jacob is on the go. Ready. Cole.
C-O-L-E.
Yeah. Go, Cameron.
No.
Left.
Oh, he's supposed to put his left foot first. Okay.
Oh,
Jake.
this is
Cameron is on
Jake.
Jacob.
Sit down properly, okay? Straight. So, finally. Her name is Mojave. Hi, Mojave. Hi.
There might be another
There's Daddy. Riding buddy.
Okay, let's try that.
So, nasa na kami. Naka-line up lang. Grabe yung sand. Parang totoo. Parang sasama kami sa gera. Yan si Francis nasa likod ko. Natatakot ako kasi first time ko. O second time maybe. Ayan ang sunset. Sobrang malakas ang hangin. Pero medyo malamig kaya masarap. Naglinya lang si Cameron at saka si Jacob nasa unahan. Para kaming nagsushooting. Ang ganda ng surroundings. Wow, ang ganda ng ganda ng view. Oh, horseback riding kami. Sobrang ganda ng view. So we're done. We're back. Very glad. hindi nagwala yung horse. Mababait yung mga horse. Talagang train na train.